Hey y'all, it's Destiny Nicole, and I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these lash looking extensions. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this look. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're applying strip lashes I found off Amazon and all the applications we're going to need. My lash bond did break, so I just put a different top in it. You can use lash clusters. I'm going in with tweezers because I don't give a fuck. First things first, make sure your natural lashes are clean and free of oils. So we're taking the bond and applying it to our lashes, allowing it to become tacky. Gently grip the clusters with the tweezers and dip the base in adhesive. I'm starting off with the 24. You're going to want to place the cluster underneath your natural lashes, close to the lash line, but not touching the eyelid. If you close your eye and it feels uncomfortable, take it off and start over because you shouldn't be feeling anything. I will have my lash map down in the description for you guys, so if you want to follow that, you can. So yeah, just continue applying the lash clusters, working from the outer to inner corner and layering for desired fullness. I wish I could show you guys a better view, but I'm blind as fuck and I need to look straight into my mirror. I love my lashes thick, so I will be going in with a second layer and we're going to just repeat those same steps. For the second layer, make sure that you overlap so that the lashes can stay on longer. I was definitely going for more of a mega cat eye look just because I feel like it suits my eye shape the best. Now you can use a lash applicator to clamp the cluster and your natural lashes together, but I'm just going to use my fingers. Now that you're done, lastly use a sealant to secure the bond and do not seal them all the way up to the tips. So here's the finishing look. It's honestly so easy to do. I'm so mad that I've been late to the party because if I knew it was going to be this easy, I would have done my lashes this way years ago. Make sure to check in the description for the link to this lash kit along with the lash map. Y'all, if my breath has been out, I am so sorry. I really just woke up and decided out of nowhere to do this. I'm still in my sleepwear, so I'm so sorry for that. But anyways, these make you want to stare at yourself all damn day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go cop these lashes. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.
You were my girl. Should've made you my wife.